welcome back to Redneck Snack, where life is too short to be serious. As you can see, it's dark, and I don't know, it just makes me feel bad. So bad. But yeah, Dairy Queen has a new blizzard. They don't term it as new, so maybe not quite new, maybe just a returning blizzard. But it's been a while since this one's been around, at least I think. I don't think I've ever reviewed it. I don't think I've ever had it. I've had their Peppermint Hot Cocoa Blizzard, which is not back. You can get chocolate mix in this, sure, but I don't think that's going to make it quite the same. I think the Hot Cocoa Blizzards always are pretty much on point with a hot cocoa flavoring. So, there's that. But basically what this is their vanilla soft serve with, you know, candy cane. It's called the Candy Cane Chill Blizzard, by the way, with candy cane pieces and chocolate flakes. So not anything over the top, but maybe that makes it good. Maybe being simple makes it what it should be. So anyways, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and check out my Instagram, Redneck Snack. So we got enough lighting to kind of make this work. All right, let's try it out. Ooh, I like that. I like the crisp crunch of the candy cane pieces. I really do. I had a cookout shake, peppermint shake the other day, and I did not like it. I did not. I mean, I can't say I hated it, per se. But the pieces, they were like chewy. Like, you know how candy corn is? It's more like that. Like a chewy texture candy cane thing, like brooches. That kind of threw me off. I was like, this is just not what it should be. But that's what they put in their shake. I saw something today that uses that too. I can't remember, but I'm glad Dairy Queen doesn't do it. It's very crisp and chill. And you know who also doesn't use that nonsense is Chick-fil-A. Love me some Chick-fil-A. Oh, Turkey Hill, I think, uses that chewy peppermint nonsense. Like, no, just use some candy canes. The whole point of peppermint is A, it's got that unique flavor to it. And then B, it's crunchy. It's crunchy. You put it in your mouth and you crunch it around. Might get stuck in your teeth, but it's not some chewy candy corn-like substance. Now, I must say, I would prefer chocolate chips, but Dairy Queen's not known for using chocolate chips. They're known for using chocolate flakes. I don't personally know why. My assumption is that the flakes are fresh. They make them there. It's their thing, I think. So I think that's why they do that. But it is refreshing to have their vanilla soft serve, some chocolate flakes, and very crunchy peppermint all wrapped up in one. Definitely not as good as a Chick-fil-A peppermint shake, but it's got very similar flavors, obviously. And it's nice. It's refreshing. For me, it's an 8, just because I think it could use more flavor. It could be piled up with more and more and more. And something about chocolate chips just sounds a lot better. Like just the little chocolate chips, you know, rolling around my mouth with the peppermint pieces. That's just my opinion. I think they have used chocolate chips for a few things, but for this instance, they did not. And I understand it. This is what makes you Dairy Queen. So, understood. Good product though, so definitely go try this out, especially if you're a peppermint fan. Dairy Queen and Chick-fil-A, you're doing good things. Starbucks too, your peppermint mocha is pretty good. But you know, keep in mind that Cookout's probably not the best place to go to, at least from when I went. So that's all I got to say, and I will see y'all around.